Meron siyang 50 MP. May 200 MP. Desert brown. Dune brown pala. Dune brown. So, this is the Vivo V65G, no? Yung gray version. Okay. Ito yung may Zeiss camera siya. Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie, and it's 2026 and Happy New Year. At nandito tayo sa SM Fairview sa Vivo Concept Store, and again we'll do some price list 2026 update. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Woo, woo, woo. Okay. So this is the Vivo Y04/Y04S. So 2026, no? Meron siyang 6,000 milliamp battery, 256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, 4+4 extended RAM, plus 256 ROM. Okay. For further specs, basahin niyo lang yung description box below. So ang cost nila is may mga versions. Check natin. So Vivo Y04, may mga version siya. Merong 4,699, 5,299 at saka 6,499. Okay. Check niyo na lang yun sa description box kung ano yung mga specs nito. Pero yan po yung kanilang pricing ngayon, 2026 January. Okay, this is the Vivo Y21D. Okay, it costs 6,999 and another version is 8,999. The 6,999 version is 8 GB RAM extended and then 128 GB ROM. The 8,999 price is 12 GB RAM and also 6 GB RAM, 6+6. And then another ROM is 256 ROM for 8,999. It has 6,500 milliamp battery and dual stereo speakers. Okay, IP68, IP69, and it has a 50 MP rear camera. This is the Vivo Y21D. This is the Vivo Y29. Price 10,999. This version that I have is 16 GB, 8+8 RAM, and 256 GB ROM. It has 6,000 milliamp battery, the Blue Volt, and it has 4,000 volume dual stereo speaker, IP64. And what else? It has a drop resistance, certified by SGS. And what else? And it has a face lock, helmet face lock. Okay. So again, this one has 6,500 milliamp battery, IP64, 4,000% volume dual speaker, 16 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. Okay, this is the Vivo Lite, V60 Lite. Okay, meron siyang 14,999, 17,999, at saka 20,999. This is the Vivo V60 Lite. Okay. And price 14,999, 17,999, 20,999. Meron siyang 6,000 milliamp battery, may Sony 50 MP na camera, may AMOLED display, at may gaming bypass charging. Yan, maganda yan. Sana lahat ng phone ganyan. And what else? Very good speakers, and it uses MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo. Yan po yung price. So check natin yung cellphone. So ito yung another color no ng Vivo V60 Lite. May pagka light ube siya. No? Nice. Close up. This is the V60 5G. It's worth 28,999 and it has 16 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. It's IP68, IP69. It has a Zeiss multifocal portrait, 50 MP Zeiss super telephoto camera, 10x Zeiss telephoto stage portrait. It has 16,000 milliamp battery. It has AI inside, and then Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. So it's co-engineered with Zeiss. Only 28,999. So more or less ito itsura ng Vivo V60 5G. Ito yung likod. Ito yung camera. Ganda niya, no? Nakausbong. Yan. 50 MP Zeiss. Ako, ang ganda. Mukhang maganda itong pang vlogging, ha? Yan. Kung hindi mo afford yung X300 na bago ngayon, no? Natag 67,999 o 77,999. So, pwede ka dito pang vlogging, V60. Pag may budget ako, ito bibilin ko. This is the Vivo V60 5G. So ito yung Vivo V60 5G, no? Meron siyang price na 28,999, 12GB RAM, 256 ROM, at another version is 12GB RAM, 512 ROM, and GB ROM, 30,999. Ako, ano pang meron siyang feature? So yung camera niya, no? 50 MP Zeiss super telephoto camera, and 10x, no? Pang telephoto stage portrait, may 6,500 milliamp blue volt battery, plus 90 watt fast charging, may mga AI inside siya, and what else? Meron siyang IP68 at 69 rating, at meron siyang Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. So that's the Vivo V60 5G. Check natin yung close up. So this is the Vivo V60 5G, no, yung gray version. Okay, ito yung may Zeiss camera siya. Ano nabibigay nito? Meron siyang 10x Zeiss telephoto stage, Zeiss multifocal portrait, at saka 50 MP Zeiss super telephoto camera. IP68 at saka 69 rating, may Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4. So yan. Zeiss telephoto landscape, AI, 50 MP Zeiss, vintage film style. Meron ng preset. Ito yung very, wala tayong very purple, but ito yung isa sa mga available colors, and parang summer blue and mist gray, which is ito hinahawakan natin, mist gray. That's the mist gray. So, curve yung screen niya, no? Ayan, curve yung screen. Kita niyo naman. Curve. Curve. Ayan, 6,500 milliamp battery. IP68, IP69. Ano pa? Hindi basta-basta magagasgas. Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 mobile platform. So, mas mabilis, mas efficient, mas maganda ang performance. So, obviously, mas maganda pang gaming. Ayan, dual stereo speaker, ultra bright display, OLED, and for example, May Google Gemini na. Pwede ka na makapag-usap kay Gemini. And 6 years of security updates. Nice. So that's the Vivo V60 5G. Ito yung brand new na ni-release sometime December 5 or 6, 2025. The X300, maganda ang ano nanto, maganda ang rating ng mga magagaling sa YouTube, ng mga nag-analyze, nag-research ng mga cellphone. So let's check this out. Vivo X300. Bakit maganda to? Meron siyang 50 MP, may 200 MP, tapos another 50 MP sa baba. Telephoto, 20x long range portrait snapshot, 4K 120 FPS, and video recording, office kit, one tap transfer, flip cards, smooth experience. I guess yung needs yun. MediaTek Dimensity 9500, 9500 MediaTek. 6510 milliamp blue volt battery, 90 watt fast charging, and then multicolor master color display, IP68 and 69. Okay, so ito yung dune brown na color, para ka nasa desert, di ba? Desert brown. Oh, by the way, if you buy yung X300 Pro, or probably kasama yung X300, you will get this mini Bluetooth speaker. So, fight ka ng promo until supply lasts. So, alam nyo, nag-re-review ako ng di ba, ng mga mini speaker. So, hope okay to. Kaso lang hindi natin alam kung ilang watts to. So, pero okay na rin, sama sa freebie.